It's Felix. I'm editing your document. In your first paragraph, I really liked it. I liked how you narrated it. I would just change some grammatical things. You added like some words that were unnecessary. And then in your second paragraph, I liked the delivery on this part. It kept me interested. I would just change a few things, like shortening this part right here and changing these like grammatically, some grammatical errors. This one, this was also pretty good. Um, I like some of the vocab you used was really important for the text. And then this paragraph was also delivered nicely. Um, Imagining your career, as a healthcare professional, it was pretty interesting. And yeah, that basically sums it up. Thank you.